Hi, I'm Rylee. I'm a trainer here at Yes Supply, and today we're going to do an EFT tapping on money problems that you may have. Okay, so today we're going to tap on these money issues. Maybe you're having issues around receiving, feeling worthy of receiving that money. So what I want you to do is really feel into that problem that you're having, that stuck state, really bring up those emotions as we tap on it. So we're going to start off with the setup. So tapping on the side of the hand, I want you again to really feel into those feelings. So we're going to tap and repeat this affirmation 3 times. So tapping, even though I don't feel worthy of money, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I don't feel worthy of money, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I don't feel worthy of money, I deeply and completely accept myself. Amazing. So now we're going to go through our first round, and we are going to tap on 9 spots. So starting at the top of the head, moving to the eyebrow, then the side of the eye, under your nose, your chin, your collarbone, and then under the arm. Again, repeating that same affirmation, really feeling into those emotions, and kind of ask yourself where you are on a scale of that 0 to 10, with 10 being like, you feel like you shouldn't have any money, absolutely no money, and 0 feeling super abundant, feeling super worthy of that money. So if, kind of ask yourself and then really ensure that, that 10 is absolutely no money, you have $0 in the bank account, like you don't deserve anything, and then that 0 feeling like you are so abundant and so worthy. So what we'll do is we'll do our first round. If you have glasses like me, I'm just gonna take them off as we tap together. So the top of the head. So even though I'm not feeling worthy of money, I deeply and completely accept myself. Inside of the eyebrow, even though I don't feel worthy of money, I deeply and completely accept myself. Side of the eye, even though I don't feel worthy of money, I deeply and completely accept myself. Under the eye, even though I don't feel worthy of money, I deeply and completely accept myself. Under the nose, even though I don't feel worthy of money, I deeply and completely accept myself. The chin, even though I don't feel worthy of money, I deeply and completely accept myself. Collarbone, even though I don't feel worthy of money, I deeply and completely accept myself. Under the arm, even though I don't feel worthy of money, I deeply and completely accept myself. Amazing. So now what I want you to do is check in again that scale from 0 to 10. We want to be as close to 0 as possible, or a 0, before we move on to setting in that sequence, those really positive affirmations. So if you're still around a 2 or a 3 or higher, hopefully you've come down close to 0. We'll watch that one more time, again, really sinking into those feelings, tapping it, and get as close to 0 as you possibly can before we move on. If you're at 0, that's so amazing. What we'll do now is we will tap in some really positive affirmations for attracting that abundance, feeling super worthy of all of the good things in the universe that you deserve. So again, let's start at the top of the head, tapping in those super positive affirmations. So I am abundance. I am worthy of money. I am constantly attracting high vibe clients and friends. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I am attracting abundance. I am worthy of money. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. It feels good to make money. Amazing. So now that you've done one sequence, if it feels good to you to do another sequence, repeating after me, or even adding in your own affirmations that really feel good and feel aligned with you, so that you really feel that really positive high vibe walking out of your EFT session. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you walk away from this video feeling so good and so abundant and so worthy of all that money that you absolutely deserve. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If there's an EFT video that you would like to see in the future, leave it down in the comments below, and then we can work on that. Also, if you loved this EFT and you would like to learn more of the modalities we teach here at the Yes Supply Method, make sure to check out our website, and you can look at our cohort dates or our self-paced version of the course. If you would like to come train with me personally, I have some dates upcoming, so make sure to check out the website and you can come train with me over Zoom, which would be so much fun. We can spend some time together. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.